Sheikh, please, how can someone curb the fitnah of internet?
How can we curb the fitnah of internet? You restrict the places you visit to the places of goodness. You restrict what you listen to on YouTube to the lectures of scholars. There are a lot of beneficial things on the YouTube. Sheikh Suleiman al-Ruhail is there. Al-Imam al-Albani is there. Al-Imam Ibn al-Uthaymeen, his audios are there. A lot of lessons. I have seen the Sharh of Sunan al-Nasa'i Kamilan by Sheikh Abdul Muhsin al-Abbad. 659 audios. 659 classes. 600, 100, 200, 300, 659. The Sharh of Sunan al-Nasa'i is on the YouTube by Sheikh Abdul Muhsin al-Abbad. He is the oldest scholar of hadith at this time, in our time. He had taught Sunan al-Nasa'i after teaching Sahih al-Bukhari in the Prophet's Masjid in Medina. He taught Sahih al-Bukhari, he taught Sahih Muslim. I attended some of the lessons on Sahih Muslim by this Imam. Hafizahullah. May Allah make him end upon goodness. After that, he taught Sunan Abi Dawud. He also taught Sunan al-Nasa'i. He spent 656 lessons. 656. They are all recorded. It's on the YouTube. A brilliant, sensible, intelligent student can sit down with it. His son, Sheikh Abdul Razak, he has a lot of books. He has read Ad-Da'u wad-Dawa. He's on YouTube, A to Z, explaining the book. He has read Mukhtasar Sahih al-Bukhari, Mukhtasar Sahih Muslim. He has read Riyad al-Salihin. He's reading Riyad al-Salihin again. He has read Umdatul Ahkam. You can get all these things and make a lot of benefits from it. Sheikh Abdul Karim al-Khudair, one of my own teachers, Hafizahullah, he had read a lot of Sahih al-Bukhari, Sunan Abi Dawud, Umdatul Ahkam. He also did the Sharh of Al-Jurrumiyya. All these works are on the internet, Ayyuhal Ikhwa. Sheikh Abdul Razak explained Kitab al-Tawheed by Ibn Abdul Wahhab in about over 100 lessons. It is available on the YouTube. The way to make maximum use and avoid the fitnah of the internet is to restrict yourself to these things. The Qur'an, those who read the Quran that are on the YouTube, Allahu a'lamu bi adadihim. Allah alone knows their number. There's Sheikh Ali Jabir, Sheikh Shuraim, Sheikh Sudais, and all others who study of different qira'ats. They are available. So restrict yourself. If you are an English listener, there are a lot of English lectures by brothers upon the Sunnah on the internet too. They have read a lot of books on the internet. You can make good use of it. Restrict what you do on the internet to the things that will help your hereafter. Restrict what you do on the internet to the things that will help your hereafter. But as for watching Netflix, it is a waste of time and a sin. When you watch Netflix, you are committing a sin. You'll be looking at haram. There is hardly any film except that you will see haram. I don't know a film today except that it has haram. A woman improperly dressed, a man improperly dressed, a man called by other than his name, a woman called by other than her name, and other things of mukhalafat al-shar'iyya, like smoking, like drinking, like intercourse, like riba, they promote. One of the things that has worst promoted taking the lives of people in our times is the internet. What is it that has promoted people looking for money by taking the lives of people like internet? Have we not been promoting Yoruba films? Is there any Yoruba film that does not have shirk in it? People have been promoting all of these. This is what they watch on Netflix. Tell me one film on Netflix that's not containing haram or something that Allah has prohibited or cursed. So don't open Netflix. Remove it from your phone and other film platforms because they contradict your iman. They will destroy you and make you regret ever living on the day of Qiyamah. So restrict your use of the internet to the things that help your akhirah. This is the qaida. Restrict your use of the internet to the things that benefit your akhirah. Restrict your use of the internet to the things that benefit your akhirah, such as these kinds of lessons that we are engaged in. I am sure our lessons on Al-Adab al-Mufrad would have reached up to 350. I don't know now. But I'm sure would have had Al-Adab al-Mufrad, 350 lessons. As Sheikh Abdul Razak, he read Adab al-Mufrad in about 300 lessons too. I listen to it every day before I come to class. You can listen to that one. You can listen. There are a lot of beneficial things too. But Shaitan closes the door of these benefits and he will be encouraging you. YouTube will be showing you evil pictures. A brother was telling me about his family who would watch about 20, 30 lectures and celebrity shows and all of these. Oh, sister, what are you doing with celebrity shows? These women are accursed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They dress in the dressing of the women of the times of Jahiliyyah. They wear perfumes. They encourage everything that Allah has prohibited. They even show zina publicly. Are these the kind of women you are looking at? You strain the eyes that Allah has blessed you with to watch these kinds of things. Don't you see that you need to actually be making at least the other min sharri al-basari was-sam'i? Let us avoid all of these for the sake of Allah. This Ramadan should be the turning point to leave aside all those evils. No woman or a man should go back to watching all of these. Ask Allah for forgiveness in Ramadan and for protection in Ramadan from this evil. Never that you go back to it again. May Allah forgive all of us.